Hey, everybody.
Hey.
So, can you believe it's been 2 weeks since our last campus conversation with John and Regina? We brought you Professor Raymond Doswell, our valued alum. And this week, we come back to you on Wednesday. What time do we start on Wednesday?
I think we said 10. I think we
9, 10.
said figure it out.
We will be live with you at 9 a.m. on Wednesday morning for Campus Conversations, and we will come back with an update on our Black History Month events. In addition, we will be having some conversation about the origins of Black history and how that is reflected in our everyday.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Hope to see you guys there. Hope you all join us.
We'll see you on Wednesday at 9 a.m. See ya.
Bye.